Good morning, students. So today we will do the types of the beam section. So the different type of the beam section used in the RCC design are: first is balanced section, second is under reinforced section, and third is over reinforced section. So what is balanced section? So the section in which the tensile steel reaches the yield strain simultaneously as the concrete reaches the failure strain is called balanced section. So the figure shows the section of beam. Says this is the width of the beam section, and small d, it is effective depth of the beam section. So section of beam, and this is line shows position of neutral axis, NM neutral axis, and the strain diagram for this beam section is strain diagram. So silent Cu equal to 0.0035, and this is epsilon Su equal to 0.87 Fy upon Es plus 0.002. So Fy is the yield stress of steel and Es is the modulus of elasticity of the steel. So Es means yield strain of steel, and epsilon Cu means maximum compressive strain in concrete. So this is the strain diagram for the beam section. So the section in which the tensile steel reaches the yield strain simultaneously as the concrete reaches the failure strain is called balanced section. So for the balanced section, this is depth of the neutral axis x2. So for the balanced section, x2 equal to x2 max, means depth of the neutral axis will be maximum depth of the neutral axis. So x2 equal to x2 max, and second, percentage of tensile steel will be equal to maximum percentage of tensile steel, that is limiting percentage of steel, and moment of resistance of the section will be limiting. So limiting moment of resistance is equal to C into Z, where C is the total compression in concrete and Z is the lever. So C equal to 0.36 FCKB into XU max. So put XU equal to XU max. So into B minus 0.42 XU max. And also limiting moment of resistance T into Z. T means total tension in steel, that is the lever arm. So C equal to 0.87 Fy into AST into D minus 0.42 XU max. So say equation for the moment of resistance, limiting moment of resistance, also this is also limiting moment of resistance. So second type of the section is under reinforced section. So under reinforced section, the section in which the tensile steel reaches the yield strain at loads lower than the load at which the concrete reaches the failure strain is called under reinforced section. So when the steel yields earlier than the concrete, there will be excessive deflection and cracking with a clear indication of impending failure. So it is preferred that the beam will be designed as an under reinforced section, because there are enough warning signals before ultimate failure. And the strain steel at the time of limit state of collapse will be more than 0.87 Fy upon Es plus 0.002. And so the strain diagram for under reinforced section. So strain diagram of underreinforced section is so this is the depth of the neutral axis for balanced section. That is say x2 max, x2 max, and this is depth of the neutral axis for under reinforced section. So this is 0.87 Fy on ES plus 0.002. So the strain in steel at the time of limit state of class will be more than 0.87 Fy upon ES plus 0.02 for under reinforced section. So for the under reinforced section, as shown in this figure, x2 is less than x2 max. This is the actual depth of the neutral axis in under reinforced section. This is the maximum depth of the neutral axis for balanced section. And in under reinforced section, x2 is less than x2 max as shown in this strain diagram, and percentage of tensile steel will be less than limiting percentage of tensile steel. Percentage of steel will be less than the limiting percentage of steel, and the ultimate moment of resistance of the section will be C equal to C into Z. So this is equal to 0.36 FCK B into X2 into D minus 0.42 X. So this is the ultimate moment of resistance for under reinforced section. Also moment of resistance is equal to T into Z. So it means 0.87 Fy AST into D minus 0.42 X2. And third type of the section is over reinforced section. So strain diagram for over reinforced section is over reinforced section, and this is 0.87 Fy from ES plus 0.02. So this is the strain diagram for over reinforced section. This is the actual depth of the neutral axis x2, and this is depth of the neutral axis for balanced section. So this is strain diagram of over reinforced beam section. So over reinforced section, the section in which the failure strain in concrete reaches earlier than the yield strain of steel is called over reinforced section. So over reinforced section fail by compression failure of concrete without much warning and with very few cracks and negligible deflection. The IS code 456/2000 recommends that such a section should be redesigned, and by limiting the percentage of tensile steel we can restrict the use of over reinforced section. Say over reinforced section, and in over reinforced section x2 is more than depth of the neutral axis is more than maximum depth of the neutral axis. This is the depth of the neutral axis for over reinforced section. So this is the neutral axis depth for balanced section. This is for balanced section, and this is line show the neutral axis depth for over reinforced section. And for over reinforced section, x2 is more than x2 max, and percentage of steel will be more than the limiting percentage of tensile steel, and moment of distance of the section is limited to, so moment of distance of the section is limited to maximum moment of distance. So it is limited to maximum moment of distance, that is 0.36 fck d into x2 max into d minus 0.42 x2 max. So the equation for the moment of distance for balanced section is used for the over reinforced section. That is, the moment of distance of the section in over reinforced section is limited to limiting moment of distance. Thank you.